Well, folks, a little bit on Volkswagen. As you know, the German economy, if it doesn't get a bailout or something soon, it's in terminal decline. They told me for 10 years they had all the renewable energy. They had 61,000 megawatts, 19% of their electricity was wind, and then it went up to something like 30%, and they were all celebrating. And the idiots couldn't count that having wind is no good. You might as well have wind in your stomach as having it in windmills, because it doesn't work. Now they have to cut off the fuel, and Russia was still supplying some gas, and somebody that say the Yanks blew up Nord Stream 2, and the Germans love the Yanks, and the Yanks are treating them like dogs. They don't care about them at all. And next thing is, Volkswagen. Well, BASF, the big chemical company, it's that big that they couldn't bomb it properly during the war, during the Second World War. But now they said that two of the Volkswagen plants are likely to close. They're considering closing 2 Volkswagen plants. Now, the reason there are some people say, and I heard people debating it, is that the Chinese are beating them at making the cars. There is no doubt. I made videos on this. One area I know a lot about is machine tools, particularly lathes and milling machines, because I love those tools. I just love the accuracy of them and everything else. And I have to say, there was a time when Chinese stuff wasn't good, but it's changed. It's very good. It's very good. If they really have to make it, and if there's a European agent to make sure they make it, you get good quality. So, and not only that, there's nobody making these things anymore. There's nearly no manufacturer of large lathes, milling machines, and bending machines and all of that stuff. There's nearly none. They're nearly all Chinese. And if you do buy an English one, like a Colchester, you'll pay 4 times the price. Even though you will get good quality, there's no doubt about that. But everyone just can't afford that. So yes, they are being hit with the electric cars coming from China. But Volkswagen makes electric cars, but these are the ordinary Volkswagens. I understand it; they're not all electric cars. But of course, Germany slapped tariffs on China's electric cars, and now China's not taking the German cars either. I actually believe it's the start of the end for the petrol and diesel car. A lot of people I know say, that thing about doing away with the cars will never come. You must remember there's wheels within wheels. They want the making of cars to go. If there's no cars made, we can't buy them. You can law any way you like. Britain has already insisted 22% of all cars this year are electric, or you pay a big fine. So there you have it. And the EU has these cars been closed down. Now, are China making petrol and diesel cars? Well, we had one when we were on the holiday at the wedding in Italy, and it was a good petrol car. It was really good, I'll tell you. And I'd say that the Europeans are getting hard to compete with them. If the Chinese decide to do it right, they will do it right. I mean, they can do it. So that's the story. I mean, Volkswagen shutting down 2 plants. So this is my opinion. The amount of hours I spent, better light now, arguing online with green nutters that this would all come a cropper is unbelievable. Half a lifetime nearly trying to say to them, you can't do this, and nobody listened. And now the evil day has arrived, and the mess is on. The mess is there. If that's going to happen, the German car industry is hit, it's going to be some mess. Folks, that's it. Comment on the lead. We'll see you back soon. Thank you.